In today's video, we're going to put a spotlight on BuildingLink, a renowned property management software option that's made a name for itself in the industry. But we're not going to stop there, because we're also going to look at some exceptional alternatives as well that could be the perfect match for your needs, whether you're a landlord or property manager. So let's dive into all the possibilities. Welcome back, Loopers. It's Mohammed Abugosh with DoorLoop. Stick around at the end to see how you can get a discount on our software if you're interested. Now, first things first. Effective property management often hinges on the tools that you have at your disposal. The right property management software can transform daunting tasks like tenant communication, maintenance, and rent collection into seamless and stress-free processes. Today, we're here to guide you through the world of BuildingLink and its intriguing alternatives, providing valuable insights to empower you in selecting the ideal tool for your property portfolio. So with all that said, let's kick things off with a deep dive into BuildingLink. This software is meticulously designed to cater to a wide range of properties, including high-rise buildings and sprawling complexes. BuildingLink's strengths lies in its ability to streamline property management operations. It's a feature-packed solution that covers communication management, package handling, branding, and resident engagement, making it a versatile choice for property managers. But what really sets BuildingLink apart is its extensive arsenal of features. Now, these include robust record keeping and administrative tools, efficient communication channels, comprehensive maintenance modules, front desk and staff operation functionalities, and features dedicated to enhancing the resident experience. And the best part is its mobile app compatibility, ensuring convenience and accessibility on the go. But now let's talk pricing. BuildingLink takes a unique approach in this regard. Their pricing structure is quote-based, meaning potential users must reach out directly to the team for a personalized quote. The great thing here is that this approach offers a tailor-made solution, but it does lack the transparency of standardized pricing. Now, before wrapping up our discussion of BuildingLink, let's talk about some of its strengths. It offers a vast array of tools, exceptional customer service, and compatibility across various devices. Now that we've covered our bases with BuildingLink, we can journey into the realm of alternatives. So let's explore three options that you're gonna love. First in the lineup is our very own DoorLoop. DoorLoop offers an all-encompassing range of features, from streamlined communication tools to robust accounting systems. It includes a tenant and owner portal, a comprehensive accounting suite with QuickBooks integration, and an array of marketing and screening tools to fill your vacancies. We have to say that the pricing at DoorLoop is pretty straightforward and attractive, with the starter plan coming in at just $49 a month for the first 20 properties with no additional recurring costs. And that takes us to our next alternative, which is TurboTenant. Now, TurboTenant is celebrated for its cloud-based solution that prioritizes tenant tracking and building maintenance. A standout feature is its marketplace posting, enabling you to broadcast vacancy listings far and wide. TurboTenant is also budget-friendly, offering a free basic plan and an annual premium plan of $99. And last but not least, the third alternative on our list is Landlord Studio. Landlord Studio is a solution that simplifies property management through automation. With features tailored for tenant search and maintenance management, it streamlines the entire rental process. And for those seeking more, there's a pro plan priced at $15 per month with an annual payment option for additional savings, making Landlord Studio another great option. So in summary, our journey here has led us to explore BuildingLink and its three noteworthy alternatives. They each offer a unique blend of features and pricing structures to cater to diverse needs. And whether you prioritize comprehensive management tools, user-friendly interfaces, or transparent pricing, rest assured there's an option perfectly aligned with your requirements. But if DoorLoop has piqued your interest as a potential solution, simply click the link below to schedule a free demo. And with that link, you might just unlock an exclusive limited time discount that we're thrilled to offer on this video as well. But whatever path you choose to follow, we hope you found this video valuable and informative. Stay tuned to DoorLoop for all things related to property management, and we'll see you soon, Loopers.